Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about variable scope in C++ programming. The variable scope is the region in the program from where the variable can be accessible. The variables are divided into two categories based on their scope. One is local variable and another one is global variable. So now we're going to talk about local variables that are declared inside a function or a block are called local variables. Like in example here, we have declared the variable integer a inside the function body within the curly braces. That means integer a is locally available within these curly braces. And the local variables can be used by the statements that are inside the function or the block of code. That means we can only access the local variable integer a from inside that block or the function body. And the local variables are not known to the functions outside of their own. That means we cannot access the local variable integer a outside of the function body. This can only be accessible from within the function body. So now we're going to talk about global variables. Global variables are defined outside of all the functions and usually on the top of the program. Like in example here, we have declared this variable integer a outside of any function body or block of code and at the top of the program. This way we are creating this global variable. And the global variables will hold their value throughout the lifetime of your program. That means the global variables we create in our program, they will hold their value throughout the execution of the program. And a global variable can be accessed by any function because global variables are declared on the top of the program outside of any method body or block of code. Because of that, we can access them from inside any function body or block of code. So hope you understand about the scope of variables in C++ programming. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.